Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 31-0363N upper arm pin assembly. This is when you are adding or you're working a 4016 header bolt on your MS 1850 deadlock. And there is a link below this video to the parts drawing, which will be very handy to show us what this looks like. Let's first take some dimensional properties. Overall length of the pin, about 1.264 overall length. Diameter of the outside diameter of the threads, 0.197 diameter of the threaded portion. Okay. Then the shaft itself, 0.152 diameter of the shaft itself. Let's take a look at, and I won't switch to the screen view, but there's that link below this video. I'm going to refer to it now. You can see the upper arm pin. It's part number 27 that's listed there. And of course, this upper arm pin is going to go through the lock body and drive the upper arm, which is part number 26. There are different versions of part 26, as you can see there. And the difference between those upper arms are, of course, going to be the fact that there are different back sets on the lock, so that upper arm assembly has to be, designed in such a way where it's connecting to the lock body, and where the connection to the rod and bolt assembly are in alignment. So if you have an 1.5 inch back set, that's different than having an 1 1/8 back set in terms of that upper arm. There are in fact 3 of them. 31/32 back set, which is the 0759. The 0758 is the 1.5 inch. The 0757 is the 1 1/8 back set. Okay, so a handy document to be able to show you where all that goes. Very typical. This client has purchased 7 line items. Actually, I think they only needed 6 to convert their MS 1850 into a 3-point lock. So that is an awfully nice way to be able to provide additional security on a door. You know, aluminum doors are, in my opinion, not necessarily the most secure of all possible doors, and being able to bolt or latch, in this case bolt, your door in multiple locations, top and bottom, and into the side of the door, whether it's a single door or a pair of doors, greatly improves the security, I think, over the opening itself. And this upper pin will allow you to get the upper arm connected to the rod and bolt assembly through the bolt guide assembly via the snap bushing that's there, but all those pieces are there. You only need those 4: the upper arm pin, the bolt and rod and bolt assembly, then the rod guide assembly, and that includes a snap bushing. It's not very clear there, at least this client's order did. Now there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and the parts drawing that's there, which is incredibly handy to be able to refer to. Okay. Any questions on this or any other Adams Rite product? This is the 31-0363N upper arm pin. Any questions on this or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.